And the markets in the day mixed. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, August 27th, 2014, and the market in the day mix with NASDAQ and Russell's dropping, and banks confirming today's drop, and VIX also confirming today's drop. The fear indicator up 1.3%. And we have gold down, silver up, utilities, which is defensive sector, up 0.81%. A little bit of fear out there, gang. And pretty extended run to the upside. All seems fairly well. So let's look at this. So we have this white candlestick, higher high, higher low. Next one, higher high, higher low. Only after two candlesticks does a little skip, lower high, lower low. After that we go higher and higher, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, and then we get to this resistance area, resistance, 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 and we get a lower high, lower low. Anytime you have an extended run and your first lower high and lower low, that's considered a pivot candle, and that's something we teach in our mentoring program. That's usually a wake-up call to a reversal taking place. However, in this case, Monday we went higher, Tuesday we went higher. There were people selling into those areas, pausing at 2,000. 2,000 is where we closed again today. That is proving to be a significant area of resistance. So I could almost come here and let me close that out. Close. I'm going to go here, edit. Let's make that red, thicken it up a little bit to show that being a sizable area. Blow this up. I want that to be right there. If you go to a line chart, I mean, we're just dead on right there. So the question is, can we get over this area? Can we get over that area right there? And if we can get over that, I would say the best case scenario here is to build a base. Give me the rest of the week going into next week, a little choppiness right here. High base formation to launch from. It's called a flying plateau. If not, this is a pivot candle. If we go red going into tomorrow, expect a pullback. And then at that moment, we could start looking at a Fibonacci levels. And a pullback to 1980 to 1966. Some good years, right? And those would be areas of that we could see. Also, this trend line coming across, I could see that being a support area. Staying above that, building a high base would be fairly interesting. If you go to a NASDAQ, we keep going higher, higher, higher. We do have a hammer, hanging man up here. But I'm going to pull up the spiders. The reason I'm bringing up the spiders is to look at the volume. If you check out the volume, we're going higher here, but the volume's just drying up. And so there's no buyers or fewer buyers at these higher levels. So something to be watching out for. And a quick look at gold. Gold broke down. Now it's in a bear flag. Just be careful with gold. Gold looks like it's a short opportunity waiting to happen. Silver, though, looks like a little different ball game. I'm calling that more bullish and bearish, especially now that we finally have a close above this trend line. Silver, man, just looks like it's wanting to take off. And a lot of you guys like the tech stocks. Apple, and I told you I was still holding, did exceptionally well, but it can't get past this resistance area. Something tells me I should have sold it at this line, especially when we got above it. But nonetheless, I'm still holding it. Facebook, which I'm holding, dropped. It's at a support line. I'm still holding that one. Don't like the volume on that sell side. Really need it to hold its own and find some higher elevation here. Taser's up 1.8%. I told you I'm holding that too. But remember I was saying in the S&P, look for that high base. We have it here. Big pop, high base, high base. I actually added more to my Taser today, looking for a high base breakout to the upside. So anyway, we're going to be doing a class tonight. Tonight's class is really cool because we're doing it on trading computers. On on adding a UPS to your trading computer and different type of things to have on your trading computer that will help you as a trader, especially if you day trade. Furthermore, we talk about charting platforms, the ones we like, ones we don't. We also get into brokers, the brokers that we like. And if you want our opinions on that, be sure to join us tonight. You could also do tomorrow midday or Saturday morning. And down in this corner, always remember, right down here, you can hit full screen to watch our videos in full screen. And over here to the left a little bit, there's a little gear. That little gear that you click on down there, that gear, if you click on it, you can bring it to high definition and watch these videos. Take care. We'll see you guys tomorrow.